Mamaya gigising yung owl. Lance. Ang gagawin pag biglang gumalaw yung owl?
Oh, meron pala dito eh.
May sarili siyang TV.
Welcome, welcome. Dapat Lance. Press OK. Where's the OK?
Okay, hindi. Yung okay, yan. Yan. Yung okay dyan. Happy birthday. So, punta kami sa... Saan nga ba kami punta? Alam mo ba? No idea. It's a surprise where we're going. Ikaw nga mo. Tayo punta?
Sa favorite place ni Lance.
Toilet.
Isn't it your favorite?
You'll be ano? You'll be 6 years old again. The parks are still closed. Yeah, the back. The whole Dubai Parks is closed. So Motion Gate, Legoland, they're all closed. So ito na ang ito ang Legoland Hotel. Birthday ni Lance eh. Ikaw na sa picture, mama.
Welcome to Lance's favorite place. And it was like 6, 7, 8. Still your favorite, Lance. 6, 7, 8. And happy birthday, my love. And where are we today? And the favorite place, Lala. Are you surprised?
Family Hotel. Of course, it's Lego. Ang ganda, may ano na siya, may play sa reception. The reception, ano na agad. Tapos may family restaurant, kaya ang saya. Then, Legoland Hotel. Sa place naman. Lahat Lego, ang saya. So, may breakfast. 1 kid meal for every adult main course. So, ano yun? Kahit walang kaming bata, pwede kaya? Ano lang yun, yung parang classic family restaurant. Dito yung breakfast tomorrow. Na agad yung Okay. Parang snacks bar. Baby. Saan yung key?
This is the
Yeah,
key.
that's the key. That's unique. Elevator pa lang, may party na. No? Pero mas maganda pag may music. Lagyan na natin music. Tada. Na. Saan ba tayo? Castle? Are we castle room? Kingdom? 461, right?
Yes.
So it's gonna be a castle kingdom. Huh? Yeah, go ahead, use it.
Use your
Yeah. And adults keep out. Okay, we're not allowed here. Lance, you'll sleep here.
Diba? Dapat kasi tatlo yung anak namin.
Of course you'll fit. You'll still fit.
Diba tatlo yung anak? Kasi may pull out na doon.
What about the rest of the room? Let's see. Ito yung Kingdom Room dito sa Legoland Hotel. It's up to you if you wanna wear it or you just leave it like that. Tapos, ito yung view. Ay, maganda yung view. Riverland. We have a Riverland view. Yeah, that's Riverland. So, walking distance lang pala siya sa Riverland. Okay, likod lang siya ng Riverland. Yeah. Huh? You forgot what Riverland is? It's not exactly like a what do you call this? A theme park. But yeah, para siyang ganyan, para siyang old European medieval village. We've been there so many times, ah.
Love, I want to take a picture of you in the bed.
Oh, like during Backstreet
Backstreet Boys?
Boys?
Oh. Ano siya? Brave Knights and Princesses. Bagay dito sila, no? Pag sila Mara, nagstay dito. Maliit lang yung toilet. Yan lang siya.
Up the bed.
That's it. So, super simple toilet. Naka-glue na pala siya, obviously. Ay, ang ganda ng sleepers. Kaso lang ito sa'yo, mama.
Pang bata. Kailan? Sige na nga, yun na siya. Ganyan, ako na nga.
Ay na, ako na.
Ako na.
Sure. Kaya nga. Pang 3 bata. Up to 3 kids.
Sabi ko, another baby.
Another baby. Mamaya, gigising yung owl. Lance. Ang gagawin pag biglang gumalaw yung owl.
Meron pala dito eh.
May sarili siyang TV. Okay, hindi. Yung yan. Yan. Yung okay dyan. Wow, galing. Meron din dito. Sa connecting room pala to. Yeah, adults keep out. And meron ditong isang, ang tawag sa ganito, chest. There's a chest. Under the jester. And may code. I think there's a surprise waiting sa loob ng chest. So there's a 4 number code before you can open it. And they left a clue. So, para kaming nag-escape room. So first is, it says, "Brave knights and princesses, welcome to the royal chamber of the king's castle. Hidden around the room are clues that will unlock the treasure box." So the first one is, sorry, I'm mag-focus yan. How many knight helmets can you see on the floor? Yung carpet niya may design, so you need to count the knight helmets. Where? These are the knight helmets. Yan. So how many? 2. Oh, remember 2. You can write 2. What's the second one? Ah! Success!
Wow, what
Oh my God! Wow!
is it inside? Yeah!
Yay!
Are you happy? Are you happy?
We got the free Lego!
Yay! Are you happy, love?
La la la!
Yay! Open it! Open it! Open it!
Yung nanay yung sobrang ano,
Open it! Open it!
sobrang saya.
Wow, are you happy?
Oo nga, why are you opening it?
Okay.
Kasi ano siya,
What is it na?
parang ano, itong dot is like a backpack. Okay, so that's it for this Legoland Hotel escape challenge, not escape but challenge. Kaya
A few moments later.
sabi niya ng mga 4 to 5. Apa, ikaw ang gutom dyan eh. May di daw magla-lunch. Pero kanina pa kuha ng menu. Kala ba ayaw mag-lunch? Order ka na. Gutom ka na eh. This one. Yung small? Sa'yo yung big. Ito yung pool. Pang ano siya. Isang malaking pool lang siya. Isang malaking pool, no? Isa lang yung pool. So, hindi masyadong kita dito sa camera, pero yun dapat yung ayan. Legoland, kaso lang, sarado, sabi ko nga, sarado yung mga theme parks. So, walang theme parks.
Three hours later.
Punta kami Lapita, lakad lang. So mga ano daw yun, mga 15 to 20 minutes. Pero siguro, alam ko na. Yung Lapita, 15 minutes na lakad. Pero, paglakad ni ate, mga 30 minutes. Yeah. Ito yung T-Rex glamping, kaso lang, sarado. Sarado yung T-Rex glamping. Nandito na tayo sa Lapita. So we are in Calea for Lance's birthday dinner. May batang tulog. So milk lang sa kanya. So this is nice also. It's divided na. So may bakehouse, butcher grill. That's true. Pero hindi tayo dito nag-breakfast? Or dito? So ito yung parang grilling station. You know, fresh. Sinong nagbantay? Sige, Do. So, 3 kinds of pasta. Ito panalo, braised beef. Lamb, tapos chicken, tapos ano yan? Mandi?
Chicken mandi.
Mandi. Veggies. Okra. Ay. Ito yung may mga pumunta agad sa sushi. Maki. Wow, ang sarap ng maki. Ako na. Kuha ko. Yes. Kobe salad, cup salad. Lolo, gigil na gigil.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hindi ko alam. Yan na, Legoland Hotel. We are going home from Lapita. Ito na lang, may ilaw yung daan at di kami naligaw.
The next day.
Yay! Bebe, what you want? Chocolate? Hot chocolate. I'll get hot chocolate. Yay!
Ano bang kuhain mo? Checkout time. Ha? Uwian na. Uwian na.
Bye-bye, dear toys.
Ha? O dapat maka-check out tayo before 12. So, punta muna tayo ng... Ano to? Third floor. Ninjago. Friends pang babae. Oh, Lego Friends. Dito Ninjago.